Do you have lot of stress on your shoulders? Do you have lot of burdens on your shoulders? And because of this, you are feeling lot of stress? If that is the case, use this very simple technique called 7 steps to slide your stress from your shoulders. So my friend, I am Pradeep Agarwal from Institute of Mind Control Development, Hyderabad, India, and I am a certified NLP trainer and hypnotherapist. Now before we go to the technique, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe right now. Click on the bell notification button to get notified every time we upload a new video. So welcome back again. Now when we talk about stress, most of the time we use the word, I have too much burden on my back, too much burden on my shoulders, I have lot of pressure on my work. Basically when you are using these words, you are giving your subconscious mind an image and picture that you have lot of things on your shoulders, and because of that you have lot of burden and lot of stress. Remember, the words are very, very important. So first of all, change these words. Don't use this word like I have a lot of pressure on my job or work, my boss putting a lot of pressure on me, I have a lot of burdens on my shoulders. When you do this, subconscious mind takes things literally and make you feel a lot of stress. So now we are going to use a very powerful but simple 7-state guided visualization so that you can slide off all the burden, all the stress from your shoulders and feel calm and relaxed. Now to use this exercise, I'll be guiding you. You need to close your eyes. So please don't listen to this while driving a vehicle or operating a machine. Why? Because you need to close your eyes. Am I right? So, are you ready? If you are not ready, stop the video. If you are ready, sit comfortably and close your eyes. And take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. With your eyes closed, think about who or what is on your shoulders and causing you to feel way down. What does it mean? It means think about the people who put pressure on you, your burden on you. You may have your entire family lined up on your shoulders. Picture all of them there. What else or who else is on your shoulders? Just use your imagination. Just visualize them. Now inhale into your belly and exhale slowly. As you lean to your right, reach your arm straight out and tilt over until your fingertips touch the floor or touch the base of the chair if you are sitting on a chair. Now imagine everything and everyone sliding off your shoulders. Listen joyfully as they scream "Wee" while soaring down the slide that in your arm. Let them slip right off, trusting that they will be fine, that they don't need to rest on your shoulders, and that you don't need them to rest there either. Now do this with both of your shoulders. Now inhale into your belly, exhale slowly and repeat the same motion with your left arm, letting everything and everyone on that side slide off. Give your arm a bit of shake, as some people will consciously or unconsciously hold on really tight, even if everyone, especially you, knows it is best to let them go. Now do this exercise, repeat few times in your right hand and left hand and see them sliding down off your shoulders and you are feeling light. And now you can now fill up with calm and peace. Calm and peace. Totally relaxed. Now, once you are ready, when you feel that everything is light off, you feel light and peaceful and calm, open your eyes and come back here and now. Now my friend, this is something very, very interesting exercise. Many times we imagine lot of people on our shoulders, and because they feel a lot of pressure and stress. When you slide them off, you're using your imagination only, but what is happening? when you're sliding them off, you're feeling lighter because the burden is off from your shoulder, the pressure is off from your shoulder. This is a wonderful technique to relieve your stress and anxiety. Now, anytime you feel the stress and anxiety, pressure on shoulder, imagine who may be there on your shoulder and slide them off. Repeat this exercise few times. Now, the last and most important tip. If you are using those words, I have too much work on my shoulders, I have too much pressure, burden on my shoulders, immediately change those words, remove those words completely. You can say I have a lot of work to do, but don't use the word shoulder because subconscious mind take things literally. Because you have already said that you have a lot of burden on your shoulders, you will get stress and tightness in your shoulders. So change the words and you immediately start feeling better and good. So keep this exercise, do this exercise few more times, any number of times you want, do it. Share it with your family members and friends and your colleagues in the office if they feel they are having a lot of stress. Now listen carefully, give it to your boss, he will also feel good. Give it to your subordinate, they will also feel good. Give it to your family members, your wife, your husband, your colleagues, they will really enjoy this and they will feel good. So do this exercise, and before we go, as we are bringing a lot of videos on my YouTube channel, if you have not yet subscribed, subscribe right now, click on the bell notification button to get notified every time we upload a new video, and I'm going to put a lot of videos already there, more than 1200 videos already there. So, and now comment and like. Yes, click on the like button also and comment and let us know any kind of other videos you want for your personal problems or things. Let us know. If the time permits, if the situation permits, or the topic is really good, we will create a video for you, especially for you, but we'll put on a YouTube channel. Thank you very much and see you soon personally, and all the best.